Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for August 19th to the 31st. This is what remains of Erin over the eastern Atlantic, but look at what's coming off the Atlantic coast now. Off the African coast, excuse me. This big blob right here. It's very, seems like it has some kind of spin, but we'll see what happens in the days ahead. This is what's the tropical wave that's in the Gulf. It's over here, over the southwest Gulf of Mexico, and that has a chance to develop as it moves to the west-northwest. But as for the tropical depression, Erin, it's supposed to come to an open trough or a remnant low. So let's see how that comes. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for August 19th to 23rd. There's relatively a zone of flow here. We have a closed low off here that's going to affect parts of the southwest. And here's the upper ridge that it's supposed to bring us warmer temperatures in the east and return of humidity. With this tropical wave here in the southwest Gulf, we're expecting significant rainfall across the Gulf Coast in the southeast. And just a word of the models, the GFS is now backed off of the ridge across the east central U.S. and the northeast. The Ensembles depict a weak ridge near the Aleutians, a trough off the west coast and of North America. And when this GFS backed off from the ridge of the east central U.S., now places a trough here and here. And the spread remains high with the position of the trough along each coast. So now we're going to look at the period for August 22nd to the 26th. Above normal heights are forecast across much of the northern plains. As you can see right here, much of Canada. GFS is now backed off of the ridge, like I said earlier, over the east central. We have a trough here, and we have another trough across this area later on. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, near normal elsewhere for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation here due to an influx of warm, moist tropical air into this area and the low that's down here in the southwest Gulf. So now I'm going to look further into the period for August 27th to the 31st, and the ensembles depict heights similar to the previous pattern. We're going to look here now. The difference in this period is a reduction of above normal temperatures across this region, but still forecasting above normal temperatures here and across this area. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and across this area. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for August 19th to 31st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.